This is how you can sell value to your audience even if you have under 1,000 followers. What bad marketing agencies say? We create WordPress websites. We can build you a WordPress website. What okay-ish marketing agencies say? Middle of the road agencies say we specialize in WordPress websites. In fact, we have a whole team of experts ready to build your site. We can build your WordPress website. What amazing marketing agencies say? So we don't just build websites. Anyone can do that. You're not hiring us to create a website. You're hiring us to get more sales. And we shall do that without you needing to dump more money into ads. What if we could redesign your whole site using our positioning framework? That's worked for hundreds of our clients, and we could help you convert more of that traffic that you're already getting into leads. You get a beautiful new site with on-brand messaging, and it's all built but with one purpose in mind: to make you more money without you needing to spend more money on ads. How's that sound? Now if you want to get more sales,